FreeFoam is a first-of-its-kind 3D printed foam. This breakthrough material can be 3D printed in virtually any shape and size. After printing, you simply put it in an oven, where small air pores expand to a specific size that can be tightly controlled. It sounds simple, but this innovation is about to rock the foam industry. Every year, more than 1.5 billion pounds of foam are produced for bedding, furniture, seating, sporting goods, and more. It's an industry that touches all of us every day. It's also an industry full of problems. Most foam products start in a big, expensive tooling mold or as a block at a factory. Later, it's cut to shape, held back by design limitations and creating tons of waste. It's also bulky and heavy to transport. It absorbs water. It doesn't allow for good air circulation. But now, FreeFoam allows manufacturers to 3D print a foam design in the exact shape with the softness or hardness they desire. Because it's a true foam with closed air cells inside, it's lighter and less bulky than traditional foam, or even other 3D printed lattice designs that try to replicate foam. What's more, FreeFoam can offer the same or even better performance. With development underway with major manufacturers, FreeFoam is already on its way to changing the way foam is made at production volumes. FreeFoam can be 3D printed and shipped in a compact form and expanded close to the point of final use, helping to eliminate shipping costs and fuel consumption. Come touch the future. It's FreeFoam.